To remove the side audio jack, first remove the cable cover, the stand, and the rear cover. Detach the side audio jack connector from the motherboard. Pull the connector out from under the optical drive cage and out of the cable guide on the optical drive cage. Detach the Torx 15 screw that secures the side audio jack to the unit and pull the side audio jack out of the unit. To replace the side audio jack, align the audio jack ports into their cutouts on the side of the panel assembly. Secure the side audio jack board to the unit with its Torx 15 screw. Align the side audio jack cable into its cable guide on the optical drive cage. Route the cable under the corner of the optical drive cage and reconnect the cable to the motherboard.